Hey there Jeep enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the Oracle Lighting Oculus ColorSHIFT Biled projector headlights for Jeep Gladiator JT. If you want to light up the night and show off your Jeep's unique personality, these upgraded projector headlights are just what you need. With RGB+W color changing capabilities and infinite colors and patterns, you'll be turning heads everywhere you go. Whether you're hitting the trails or heading to a photo shoot, these headlights will make sure your presence is known with bold and customizable lighting. But it's not just about looks. These high-powered projection LEDs provide superior visibility compared to OEM halogen assemblies, and the sharp cutoff lines increase safety and avoid blinding other drivers. Plus, with the included BC1 Bluetooth ColorSHIFT Controller, you can create a custom look with 16 million colors and coordinate your lights with music. Installation is a breeze. Connect the 9-inch direct-fit projector headlights with the original mounting hardware and enjoy plug-play connection without any additional relays or harnesses. And with the easy-to-follow install guides and videos, you'll have these headlights up and running in no time. So if you're ready to take your Jeep's lighting game to the next level, be sure to check out the Oracle Lighting Oculus ColorSHIFT Biled projector headlights through the link in the description. Don't miss out on this upgrade that combines style, safety, and ease of installation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Jeep upgrades and reviews.